बारिश शुरू हो जाती है and he was so happy. In the northeast, a huge mountain of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet, and the man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. Big drops are 10 cents pieces and the little ones are fives." So Lencho finished the dinner and he went outside. So what he noticed, that from the northeast direction, huge mountain of clouds are coming. They are coming near, and that is why he is very happy. As we all know that when initially the rain falls on the land, we get some kind of fresh and sweet smell. So here the wind was full of such kind of freshness and sweet smell. Now here Lencho was full of expectations. Lencho is expecting something from the nature, that nature is going to give nice rain and he is going to get good corns. So he came back to the room and he said to his family that these are not raindrops. These are actually new coins. The big one are the 10 cents and the little one are 5 cents. Okay, so he is very happy and his family is also very excited. With satisfied expressions, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. Now, here draped means covered with cloth, and hailstone means olive. So now the hailstone began to fall, and his boys ran out to collect the hailstones. These are frozen pearls and they fall from the sky with great force. So such big hailstones started falling on the ground. So his boys were very excited and they started collecting these ice cubes. But Lencho's reaction was different. "Okay, now it's really getting bad now," exclaimed the man. "I hope it passes quickly." It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. Was white as if covered with salt. So इतनी सारी हेल पड़ी कि उसका जितनी फील्ड थी वो सारी वाइट हो गई, एंड इट वाज just like something which is covered with salt. It was looking as if the whole field was covered with salt. It was not salt, it was hail. Now what harm did this hail made? Let's see. Not a leaf remained on trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plant. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed away, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, "A plague of locusts." Locusts are insects which fly in groups and destroy the crops. "Would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn." Not a leaf remained means there was not a single leaf on the tree. His crop, the corn crop, was totally destroyed, and all the flowers which were looking so yellow, were all gone from the plants. And that is why Lencho was filled with sadness. His heart was broken. When the storm passed away, he stood in the middle of the field. He was standing there with his son and looking at that destroyed field, looking at his destroyed crops. So now Lencho is comparing the hailstorm with locusts. The hailstorm has destroyed the crops more than the locusts. So he talks to his sons and says that this year we are not going to have any crops because of the harm which the hailstorm has done. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. We'll all go hungry this year. But in the heart of all who lived in that solitary house, in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope: help from God. Solitary means single, alone. And the night was full of sorrow because of whatever happened to the family. So they are just thinking that only God can help them in this situation. Don't be so upset. Even though this seems like total loss, remember, no one dies of hunger. That's what they say. No one dies of hunger. So here we can see that Lencho is still hopeful and he is still positive and he has a lot of faith in God. All through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Conscience means an inner sense of right and wrong. Lencho was an ox of a man, working like an animal in the fields, but still he knew how to write. So whole night he had been thinking of God, because according to him there was only one hope left for him, that is help from God. And Lencho was an ox of a man means he was a man who works very hard, but he knew how to read and write. So he thought of a plan. Rest of the part will be